Hello, Storm friends. Welcome to the Haven. I'm Musetta Lee Storm, but you can call me Muse. And today I'm going to show you how I make Nanaimo bars. So keep on watching. For the Nanaimo bars, you will need an 8x8 inch pan. I have lined mine with parchment paper, and under the parchment paper I have greased the bottom of the pan to help hold it down. For the first layer of the Nanaimo bars, we are going to use a double boiler, or in my case I'm going to use a bowl and pot setup to melt down half a cup of butter with 5 tablespoons of cocoa powder, unsweetened, and a 1/4 cup granulated sugar. Once the cocoa powder, butter, and sugar mixture is all melted down and smooth, you're going to add in a 1/4 cup of just egg. Now you're going to beat this in initially and then cook it for about 1 to 2 minutes over the double boiler or bowl and pot setup until it thickens up. If you do not want to use just egg and you don't have an egg allergy like me, 1 egg is what you will need for this recipe. Once the chocolate mixture has thickened up, you're going to remove it from the heat, and then we are going to add in 1 cup of flaked coconut, 1 cup of graham cracker crumbs, and a 1/2 cup of finely chopped almonds. To be honest, I just threw mine through the food processor. Now, the almonds are optional, so if you don't want to put almonds in there, that's perfectly fine. After everything is mixed into the chocolate mixture, we are going to press that into the bottom of our 8x8 inch pan and then stick it into the refrigerator to cool while we work on the second layer. For the second layer of the Nanaimo bars, we are going to beat together 1/2 cup of room temperature butter, 3 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. Now I am using a non-dairy brand, and what I am using is the Silk dairy-free heavy whipping cream, and 2 tablespoons of custard powder. Now the brand I'm using is egg-free and dairy-free. It's Bird's brand. And apparently this is also listed on vegan websites as being vegan as well, so there's no other additives or anything else like that if you do follow the vegan lifestyle. Once we've beaten those together until they are light and fluffy, we are then going to add 2 cups of powdered sugar. As I've mentioned before, I make my own powdered sugar because most of the powdered sugars that you find in the store are not bone char free. Once that is nice and smooth, you're going to pour that over or spread that over the base layer of your bars and then place that in the fridge, and we'll begin on layer 3. For the third and final layer of the Nanaimo bars, that is the chocolate topping, we are going to melt down 4 ounces of chocolate of your choice. I am using dark chocolate that is dairy-free from Ghirardelli's. And with that, we're going to mix in a 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream. I'm still using the same whipping cream that I showed earlier. Once the chocolate and whipping cream are completely melted down and mixed together, you're going to pour that over your second layer of the Nanaimo bars. Then you're going to allow that to harden, and you can either score or you can wait until it's completely hardened to cut your bars apart to the sizes that you choose. And that is how I make Nanaimo bars. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more from me, please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye! In 1 cup of shredded coconut, 1 cup of graham cracker, 1 cup of graham cracker crumbs, graham, why am I saying graham? Graham cracker, graham cracker. Okay.
Put that in the bloopers.
Okay. Graham cracker.